Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about Garry's mod and I'm going to teach you how you can install mods from the Steam workshop and external factors affecting these mods. If you enjoy this video, if you find it helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. So basically, downloading mods is pretty simple. All you need to do is come to Steam and make sure your game is closed out. It needs to be closed out for this to work properly. Then once the game stops, which it will take a second to do, you need to hit the workshop button right here. Once you hit that, all the mods for Garry's mod will be right here. You can search them, whatever category you want the mod of. You can go to game mode, map, weapon, vehicle, etc. For example, for this video, we will download an NPC, which will be a character in the game. Let's say we want this guy right here. Kitter's Metro Cop. All we need to do is open it up and then we can press the subscribe button right here. You will see the download in the bottom. It won't take long because most of these mods aren't very heavy. If you are downloading maps, however, or a whole mod pack, which has many things included, it might take a bit of time, but it shouldn't be an issue. Once you've got it downloaded, once you boot up your game, you will find it in the add-ons section, no problem at all. Sometimes you won't find the mods you desire on the Steam Workshop, and you will use a website to download these mods. You can go over to your desired website to download the mod from. The website I'm using is moddb.com. Choose the mod that you want to download. Press the download button, which should be pretty straightforward. Once it's downloaded, as you can see right here, you can open the folder, extract it, and then copy the contents of the mod folder. Copy them right here, go back to Steam, right-click on Garry's mod, manage, browse local files, go to the Garry's mod folder, the add-ons folder, and paste them right here. Once you've pasted whatever you downloaded into these folders, you just need to boot the game up and you should find your mods inside the game, and you should also find them inside the main menu where you have the add-ons section telling you exactly the content you have in your game. So if you go here to add-ons, there's all your add-ons that we've downloaded. We just got this from Steam and it's right here. It's installed, nothing to worry about. All you need to do now is play your game. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found it helpful, don't forget to tell us in the comment section. If you want anything else from us, leave a comment. We'll make sure we make a video on that. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.